MyFutureFund and auto-enrolment. This is a short video geared towards employers and payroll specialists trying to plough their way through the MyFutureFund portal. In this guide, we are going to show you how to register as an employer for MyFutureFund step by step, screen by screen, in the perfect environment where there are no hitches, with ROS, certs and authorisations. I had intended initially to delve into some of the issues facing payroll processors and in particular the hurdles that many small business owners have had to get over to register as an employer for MyFutureFund. I decided that as the days pass, these issues will be resolved by NAIRSA, and I prefer not to dilute the ideal world of NAIRSA and the real world that small business payroll processors are operating in. It is unfortunate that so many issues arose, particularly at this time of the year when small businesses are at the pin of their collar with Christmas schedules, small tax-free benefit exemptions on top of end-of-the-year procedures and trying to run a business. We hope that BPPM's posts and reels over the coming days and weeks might help to support those that may be feeling a little isolated. You are welcome to use the Contact Us form on our Boyle Payroll Project Management website, BPPM, if you wish to inquire about outsourcing your small business payroll processing to us at Boyle Payroll Project Management. With any new systems implementation, there are always going to be issues. We here at Boyle Payroll Project Management wonder what level of engagement took place on the ground with real payroll specialists when this system was going through design, integration and testing. And that rant is for another day. Back to how to register your business on MyFutureFund. Go to MyFutureFund and navigate to the Employer or Agent tab. Choose Login with ROS. Input your ROS certificate, enter your password, and then select Authenticate. This brings you to the employer registration page. There are 3 parts to this registration. 1. Terms and conditions. 2. Complete your company profile. And 3. Set up a payment method. Select Start. You are now asked to read and agree to the terms of use and the privacy policy. These can be viewed by selecting the links here. Once you accept these, select the tick box and then select Next. You will be asked to provide your company information. Provide the company name, the company trading name if different, and the business sector. Select the NACE classification code you provided during your company's registration in Ireland to classify your business activities. The number of employees you have in your company. Your communication preference, which can be English or Irish. The method of communication you prefer, which can be electronic or paper. You will also be asked to provide your company address. You can enter it by searching using your air code, or you can toggle and then enter your address manually. Once you have entered all of this information, select Continue. You will now be asked to provide contact information for an individual in your company. Select Save and Continue. You will now be asked to choose a payment method. You can choose between direct debit or debit and credit card. Please note, if you choose debit and credit card, you'll need to log in to make your payment directly each time. If you choose direct debit, this will make this process easier for you. If you are the account holder and sole signatory, you can proceed with the direct debit mandate. If not, you can choose the paper format. Select Save and Continue. You provide the information about the direct debit mandate on screen. Please read through it all and then provide your bank account details. If the account holder address is outside the European Economic Area, the EEA, you will be asked to provide your address here. Once your information is correct, you can select this box to consent that you are signing the document electronically. Select Save and Submit. Your registration is now complete. And by selecting Finish, it will take you to the employer dashboard. You can navigate to your mailbox at the top right corner in order to check for any notifications you have received regarding employee enrolments. I hope you found this video helpful. Can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit the like, follow or subscribe button, depending on what platform you are watching this video guide on, as we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work-related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to like, follow or subscribe, but it could help you save hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on pay and tax. And go on, hit that like, follow or subscribe button. Go on, go on, go on. See you next time.